I have to put it at the lowest lighting possible so that it doesn't burn and shit. And crash. This is what happens when I put a disc in here. This happens. Top of the frickin' machine. Or maybe I was wrong. Thought I was gonna burn up and burn into smoke. Smoke comes out, but I guess not. Okay. Let's make sure I don't want to screw up the last time I did this. But here's the finder number just in case it does break again. And it's 256K, thousand, sorry. And to shut it down. Hang on. Calculator. Oh, it does work. Huh. I thought it would burn. I thought it would explode on me again. Oh, screw it. Ooh. Okay, well, I thought this was going to be a burn up, but I guess not. Epic test for the win. Laters.